Hello my beauty bunnies, welcome to my channel. Yesterday morning I watched Stephanie Mary's video about reverse foundation routine, and it was fascinating. And she told that she watched Samantha, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, Samantha's video, and I watched both of them. I kind of knew this technique from I think when Goss he told something like that technique, and at that time I didn't try it, but yesterday I tried this technique off camera, and then I thought that, well, why don't I film this technique on my channel? So I linked their Stephanie's and Samantha's video down below description box, so watch them because theirs are far more better than mine. I know, but I try to do this technique, and if you are interested in my opinion about this technique, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. And I already washed my face, and toner and moisturizer were on. Obviously I already have my eyebrows done, and I'm gonna use Touch and Soul No Program for my as a primer today. And of course concealer. I'm gonna use MAC Pro Longwear concealer NW20. Actually I do use concealer before foundation all the time. It's easy to blend. You cannot tell where the concealer ends and where the foundation starts, kind of edge. Well, for me, let's get into Usually I put concealer on my nose for extra coverage, because my nose gets really oily, and if I blot the oil on my nose, that takes my foundation and everything all together with oil. So I need extra layer on my nose. Okay. The eyes are done, and then next contour, and I don't have any liquid or cream bronzer, so I don't do that, but I contour every single day with this stick here city color, and that was really cheap, but it is good. Then I blend that contour with this iconic London Pro Evo brush. It is so soft and dense, and I really like it, and blend out cream products very beautifully, so I totally recommend this brush. Let's blend. I used this technique yesterday, and I find out that I don't have to blend as much as I do usually, because anyway you cover these all these contours and highlight and everything with foundation. So, well, for me it is not I'm sorry, it is not as blended as I always do, but leave it that way. And then for liquid highlight, I don't any other liquid highlight, so I use this part. I'm sorry. It has doe foot applicator. It is not liquid, more like a moussey kind of formula texture. Just don't move. It doesn't move, so and I use Morphe E8 brush to apply onto my high points of my face, and bridge of my nose, and maybe a little bit on forehead. I need a little bit more because it is moussey, and also it dries really quickly into kind of powdery texture. You have to blend it really quickly. And then I need cream blush. Let me grab. It is technically not cream blush. It is lipstick, but I found out that it is good for cheek. So today I'm gonna use it as a cream blush. Forever Ultra HD Foundation Y315 is my shade. Technique beauty sponge. It is damped, so let's pounce. This foundation has been my holy grail for so long time, and then I totally forgot about it because I found out other foundation that I really love, that is Dior Backstage Face and Body foundation. But lately I rediscover this foundation again, and from my collection, and actually it is really good and it matches my skin perfectly, so kind of love it. It is, everything is medium to almost full coverage, if you can feel that quite nicely. Okay, what do you think? It is really natural. Let me finish this makeup and I'll be right back. So, my opinion about this reverse foundation technique, I kind of like it, and maybe I have to practice more to really know the benefit of these techniques, and probably I can make it better. Today is the second time I try this technique, and I think I kind of get the idea of the purpose of it. With this technique, you can create your naturally this beautiful kind of look, I guess. So yeah, it's fascinating and exciting if I can, master this technique, and then probably I use it for other people, my clients, and yeah. So, but I have to first get used to this reverse routine. Maybe I accidentally put foundation first. Me personally, I still need powder, blush, and contour, and bronzer, and highlight on top of everything. But yeah, it will. I can create nice base with this technique, so I'll keep using this technique every day, and yes, I love it. I love it. That's all for today. If you enjoyed my video, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and see you on next video. Bye bye.